It was nice of you to join me for dinner. I often eat alone because, of course, my work.
I thought I was the birdless until I met you.
Yes, right. Do you have a favorite bird?
Well, obviously, I'm a blue macaw kind of girl.
That makes sense. They are very handsome birds.
Actually, it's the brain I'm more attached to. I'm not so impressed by fancy feathers.
I know exactly what you mean. My favorite bird is spot owl. I always been memorized by those big, round, intelligent eyes.
Uh-huh.
Chicken heart.
Ah, chicken hearts. Oh gosh. Ah.
Alo?
Oh, Blue. We should have a moose lake. This is on my part.
No, Linda, please. This is not your fault.
You're right. It's not my fault. It's your fault.
What?
With the little talk and that hoe save the species. Well, you know what? Squawk, squawky, squawk, squawk. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to curse.
I don't understand. Zero is the best guard in the business.
So let me get this straight. It was attacked by a little white bird.
Yes, with it down here into my mouth like this.
We're doomed.
Okay, there's no play night home. There's no play night home. How I wish my big in my cake with my mirror swing, my little bear. How I miss my little bear.
Play that.
What? I don't need to play that. I'm about to have a
That